Hi guys, welcome back to today's family, and we are going to make banana nut bread. First, we're going to start off with butter. Any single butter you have, or you could buy at the store. Second, we just add the sugar. Then we add 2 eggs. Time for the second egg. Next, we just add 3 bananas. Next, we just smash them. Then we just add the flour. Then we just mix. Then we add the baking powder. Then we add the salt. Now we add the baking soda. Last, we just add the walnuts. And we mix.